How you doing, folks? Down here in Atlantic City on the boardwalk, staying at Resorts for just tonight. Tonight I'm going to go to Bally's and see a friend of mine, Tony Melandro. He's an entertainer. He'll be at the lounge there starting at 9 o'clock, so I'll stop down there and see him. But right now I'm having a couple drinks. I'm here at the Landmark Surf Club, and that's it here. Yeah, let me give you a shot down the boardwalk. There's Resorts right in front of me. Margaritaville is also Margaritaville is also inside. There's a tram car. Watch out for the tram car. Okay. There's the showboat over there. There's the Hard Rock up there. Yeah. So yeah, I'll stop back in there, do a little play for a little while, see if I can lose any more money. Haven't reached my budget yet, so I'm good. And yeah, appreciate you coming to the channel, watching. Hopefully you'll give me a little like and subscribe. Yeah, there's a chopper going over here. And comments are always welcome. And I'll catch you a little later. Well, let me give you a shot at the beach. Hold on a minute.
Oh, I said, what's up with you?
Okay, there's the beach over here. Tiki bar right over there. Nice. There's the Land Shark Bar and Grill restaurant. Great food. Great food. That's what I'm drinking over there. There's the Margaritaville over there. That's inside the Resorts Hotel and Casino. And that's about it. That's about it. We're going to wrap it up now, and I'll catch you guys later. Enjoy the weekend. Happy 4th of July. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.